So it sounds like a head-on collision, T-bone and side impact cases involving failure to yield. It sounds like lawyers should get involved to investigate the accident. What would they do in those scenarios, depending upon the injuries involved?
Well, in terms of the initial investigation work, it's important to make sure that we have photos of the property damage to the vehicles before any damages are repaired or any cars are scrapped. It's important to ensure that we double check to see if there's any surveillance footage, whether it be of any convenience stores or gas stores at an intersection or any red light cameras or anything of the sort. So it's important to make sure that we have our witness statements confirmed, right? If there's any witnesses to the incident, law enforcement may not have done a detailed statement with that individual. So we want to make sure that we have our team investigate and obtain statements while it's fresh in the mind of the witnesses, because if liability is disputed, that completely non-biased eyewitness could become key, and we want to make sure that in 2 years' time, if we have to file a lawsuit, that witness remembers what it is that they saw.